there are 2,000 registered voters in Roseville, and 4/5 of these voters are registered Democrats. So the first question asks, how many of the voters are registered Democrats? So 4/5 of 2,000, remember of means multiply. So 2,000 times 4/5. Remember, we'll multiply the top. So 4 times 2, that'll be 8,000. Divided by 5. 5 will go into 8 one time. 5 will go into 30 6 times. So 1,600 of those voters are Democrats. So it has how many of them are not registered Democrats? Well, if there's only 2,000, 1,600 of them are Democrats. That means that 400 of them are not. Then it says how many of them of the registered Democrats favor Measure A? 3/4 of the registered Democrats. So 3/4 of 1,600. So of means multiply. 3/4 of. So we'll multiply the top and then just keep my denominator because there's not a denominator over here. So I've got my 2 zeros. 3 times 6 is 18. 3, 4. Remember, this is nothing but division. 4 will go into 4 one time. 4 will go into 8 two times. And then your 2 zeros. So 1,200 of those are in favor. How many of the registered voters are in favor of Measure A? This one's a little tricky just because of the wording. I don't know if they're looking for the other registered voters or all registered voters. So if it was all registered voters, you would need to do your 4/5 of your 400 and then add it to the 1,200. So I'm not sure here what they're wanting of all the registered voters. We'll do both. We got to do both anyway, so I'll show you. So we know 4/5 of the other registered voters are in favor. So 400 times 4/5. Multiply across the top. Not another denominator, so I'm going to keep my denominator. Then remember, this is nothing but divide. 5 will go into 16 3 times. 5 will go into 10 2 times. So 320 are of the other registered voters. If they want all registered voters, how many? We would add these two numbers, so that would be 1,520.